In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor resistor on your Ford Mustang, located underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. Now, underneath the passenger side of the dashboard, we're going to locate your blower motor, and that is this unit right here. Now, the resistor itself is just in front of it. Is this unit right here. So there are two 8mm screws holding it on either side, one on each side here. I want to go ahead and disconnect the harness right in the middle of it. There's a little tab on the side of it. We're going to pinch the tab on it to release this harness. And we're going to wiggle that off. So when we pop this off, here is that little tab we were pressing to disconnect it. So go ahead and let that thing flop free. We use an 8mm socket and our 1/4" ratchet. I'm going to disconnect my ratchet and just use the socket and my little extension to go ahead and spin out those screws the rest of the way. And once those screws are loose, you should be able to just reach up there and wiggle that unit free. There it is. Go ahead and slide that down and out. And that thing is looking pretty nasty. Now we're going to take the new resistor. Line that up, insert that into the port here. I'm going to hold this into place with one hand and try and get one of these side screws started. Right, have one started there. Now when tightening this down, you just want to get it to the point where it's snug. It does have a foam gasket on there to seal it up. And you don't want to over tighten and crack the board. So once that's snug, just give it a hair bit more. All right, it's bottomed out. Just a little bit more. Take your connector and we're simply going to line that up. Now this does not make an audible click on it here. So once you push it on, you feel that it's seated all the way. Just kind of give that connector a little tug, make sure it's locked into place. Ours is pretty solid at this point here. Go ahead and test it out. And once everything is operational and you're happy with it, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.